Best Bath Bomb Mold Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular bath bomb molds in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes these bath bomb making molds so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this set of molds. The one that made our list is the Decoroma Bath Bomb Mold Set. This is a comprehensive set that includes 10 pieces of bath bomb molds in 3 different sizes. It also comes with 12 soap dye colors you can choose from, as well as 50 pieces of bath bomb shrink wrap bags. And when you follow the manual that comes along with this set, you'll be able to create beautiful, brightly colored bath bombs in no time. The molds themselves are made from food-grade aluminum alloy, while the soap colorants are stain-free, skin-safe, and water-soluble. You can use this mold set to make more than just bath bombs, including chocolate, cheese, slime, and jelly. To check out the full specs of the Decoroma Bath Bomb Mold Set and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestbathmold. Here's a quick demo of how easy it is to use this set of molds. So there you have it, the Decoroma Bath Bomb Mold Set. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the mold, and its overall functionality, we feel that this set is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Decoroma Bath Bomb Mold Set and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestbathmold. Alright, thank you for watching.